Welcome back to another video. And in our last video, we have shown you that how you can create a database from PHP script. Now, in this video, I will show you how you can delete database. Let me just open Apache and MySQL here. So we have opened it. Now I will go to the code editor, and here you can see in my last video, I have created the database from here, and now we will drop or delete the database. So everything will be same here, but what we have to do, we just have to delete other database. So we have to use here drop, and now it will delete the database from the database list from the phpmyadmin panel. So here you can see everything is done. Just you have to set here drop, and here we will say database deleted successfully. Now if I go to the browser, I type here localhost slash our project name is test php. If we press enter here, you can see database deleted successfully. And so to check it, we will go to the phpmyadmin, and at first we have to use here localhost slash phpmyadmin. Now you can see we have no database here named Yamin, right? Because our database name was Yamin. Here you can see, and now there is no database. So this is how you can delete database from PHP script. I hope you understand. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.